Every time you look in the mirror, you know you're not where you want to be. You scroll, you swipe, you stall. You whisper, tomorrow I'll start. But what if tomorrow never comes? What if your problem isn't lack of motivation? What if you're just living the wrong identity? Let's be real. You're not at the level you crave. You feel it. You see it in your reflection. And yet, you keep on scrolling, swiping, wasting dot, and then you tell yourself, tomorrow I'll begin. Sound familiar? You've tried before. Motivation hits, you grind for a few days, then it dries up, then comes the crash and you quit. Again, here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need more motivation. You need to become someone entirely different. That's exactly what the Summer Arc Challenge is built for. 60 days. No compromises, no apologies, no weakness. This isn't a cute glow-up, it's a psychological rebirth. It's you burning your old self alive and rising from the ashes. Part 1. The arc is real, and you're not the hero yet. Every great story has a structure, a beginning, a struggle, a transformation. But most men, they never make it past the intro. They get stuck in the loop, poisoned by comfort, drained by porn, devoured by phones. The worst part, they think that's normal. But you, if you're still here, a part of you knows there's more. The Summer Arc Challenge is your call to war. This isn't about looking good for the beach. This is about becoming a man who cannot be broken. A man who commands silence when he enters a room. A man who built himself from nothing. Like the samurai who trained in solitude. Like Nietzsche's Übermensch who shattered the rules and rewrote his own code. He who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. Your why is here. Your how begins now. Part 2, 60 days of war and you are the battlefield. You entered the battlefield 60 days to burn down the old you and build someone unbreakable. But to survive, you must understand one thing. Greatness is not born from comfort. It's born from suffering. Part 4. The dark psychology of the new you. Suffering is where greatness is born. Don't take my word for it, ask Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor and Stoic, killer of excuses. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." The Summer Arc Challenge flips the script. You stop reacting and start controlling. You stop consuming and start creating. You stop dying slowly and start becoming dangerous. Part 5. Identity, collapse and shadow work. Let's go deeper. This isn't just about habits. This is identity collapse. You will mourn your old self. You will hear his voice whisper, just skip one workout. Just one scroll won't hurt. One relapse won't kill you. You'll be tempted, but you don't resist him. You kill him, let him beg for survival, and then starve him of comfort, pleasure, and attention. Yes, necessary? Absolutely. This is shadow work, the place where power, discipline, and detachment are born. You want to be high value? Walk through hell without flinching. Part 6. Red Pill Fuel. No one's coming to save you. Still waiting for a reply, still hoping she sees your potential, still thinking the world owes you something. Wake up. The world respects results, not your pain. And no one is coming to rescue you. Not your mom, not your friends, not God. But that's the best news you'll ever hear. Because it means it's all on you now, and that's where true power lives. Henry David Thoreau said, "The man who goes alone can start today, but he who travels with another must wait till that other is ready." You're alone. That's why it's beautiful. You don't need permission. You don't need applause. You need war. Part 7. Why 60 days is the sweet spot. Why not 30? Because 30 isn't enough to destroy. It only lets you taste change, not live it. Why not 90? Because 90 becomes your new comfort zone. But 60 is the sweet spot, the perfect window for total rewiring. By day 5, your mind will resist. By day 12, your cravings will scream. By day 21, you'll crave pain more than pleasure. By day 40, you'll be unrecognizable. By day 60, you won't remember the old you. This is a neural overwrite. You're rebuilding your brain's reward system from scratch. Part 8. What you'll gain that can never be taken. You'll gain unshakable confidence not from validation, but from brutal self-won battles. You'll have clear vision. You'll know what you want and what must die to get it. You'll have freedom from the matrix. You'll see how the game was rigged and how to break it. You'll earn respect from men, from women, and most importantly, from yourself. And the best part? This isn't a phase. It's the origin story of the rest of your life. But now comes the real question. What happens after day 60? Turn the page. The final test is coming. You've just made it through 60 days of war. You didn't just survive, you thrived. And now that the dust has settled, you realize something powerful. Your pain became your fuel, and the fire inside you never died. So, what now? Now you teach others. Now you build your empire. Now you live with honor, clarity, and fire. Because you're no longer a consumer. You're no longer a bystander. You are the storm. Tonight, stand in front of the mirror and really look. Not the lazy glance while brushing your teeth. Not the distracted gaze as you walk past. Really look deep into your own eyes. Strip away everything, the distractions, the excuses, the fake confidence, the lies you've whispered to yourself. And then ask, if I died today, would I be proud of the man I was? Would you die with peace in your chest or regret stuck in your throat? Would your story inspire someone, or would it be forgotten tomorrow? If the answer is no, then you already know what needs to be done. No more waiting. No more hiding behind comfort. Start the challenge. Cut the laziness. Burn the weakness out of your flesh. Let the fire rise in you again. Because this isn't about motivation. It's about duty. You were not born to be average. You were born to conquer something: your mind, your body, your purpose. And after 60 days, the mirror won't lie anymore. It will reflect the war you fought. It will reflect the warrior you chose to become. Earn that reflection, or die trying. Thank you for watching. If this message hit home, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your story. I'll see you in the next one.